Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into setting up an online store inventory on Airtable, the 2025 full guide. Our first step is to create a new base. On your Airtable home screen, click the Add a Base button, then Start from Scratch. This is your digital canvas for your inventory, a blank slate you can tailor to your store's needs. Now that we've done that, let's name our base. Click Untitled Base at the top and type your preferred name, like Online Store Inventory. This helps us because it makes it easier to locate and manage our inventory in the future. Next up, we're going to add tables. Click on the plus icon to add a new table. We'll create 3 tables named Products, Suppliers, and Orders. The reason we do this is to segregate information in an organized manner. Each table will hold specific information related to our online store. Great. Now, let's define fields in each table. In the Products table, create fields like Product ID, Product Name, Price, Supplier, and Stock. In the Suppliers table, add fields like Supplier ID, Supplier Name, and Contact Details. Lastly, in the Orders table, you might add fields such as Order ID, Product, Quantity, and Customer Details. This helps us because fields represent the different pieces of data you'll track for each product, supplier, or order. Once we've set up our tables and fields, it's time to populate them with data. Click on the plus under each field and start adding relevant information. This is important as it's how you'll keep track of your inventory, suppliers, and orders. Now, let me explain why this matters. Having a well-structured inventory system on Airtable can simplify your online store operations. It can help you keep track of your stock levels, manage supplier relations, and fulfill orders efficiently. And there you have it. You've set up an online store inventory on Airtable. Just remember the key steps. Create a base, name it, add tables, define fields, and populate with data. Airtable can truly empower your online business and help you stay organized. Thanks for joining me today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.